Hi everyone, my name is Frederico Aranha, but please call me Fred. Welcome to my course, IT Governance Implementation Foundations. I am an independent project management and governance consultant. To implement an enterprise governance of information and technology system, we need to design it. But before designing solutions, we need to understand what is behind a framework such as COBIT 2019. From project management frameworks to IT service management approaches and international standards, a governance framework integrates all to allow businesses to be steered. Once this basic understanding is covered, you will be able to finally step in the realm of IT governance implementation. This course's main objective is to teach you about EGIT, or Enterprise Governance of Information and Technology, from its implementation perspective. Questions like how do I design a governance system and how do I implement it will be answered, as well as the connection between COBIT and other major governance standards and management frameworks will be laid. Some of the major topics that we will cover include an overview on project management best practices based on the Project Management Body of Knowledge and the Prince2 methodology, a review on EGIT foundations, the International Standardization Organization, also known as ISO, and its IT governance standard. An introduction to DevOps as a focus area. Performance management, its definition and principles. Process capability levels and ratings. Focus areas maturity levels. Enterprise governance of information and technology system design. And the IT governance implementation steps based on the COBIT methodology. By the end of the course, you'll have a complete understanding of what it takes to implement a governance system based on a governance framework. You'll also understand the step-by-step approach to implementation based on COBIT 2019 and its relation to governance design. From here, continue your learning by taking our advanced implementation courses based on COBIT and prepare yourself for the COBIT implementation certification. I hope you'll join me on this journey and learn with me the foundations of enterprise governance of information and technology implementation.